Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is James, and today I'll be showing you a video on how to get your fuel gauge needle in the correct position in a 2005 Nissan Maxima. Now, this video has been proven done before using regular hard store magnets. However, I find it a lot easier using something other than magnets, is a single speeder that does have a decent enough magnet to try to get the needle to move in the correct position. However, if a single speeder doesn't work, I do also have this 12-inch subwoofer laying around that does actually have a bigger powerful than the single speaker. However, I didn't need to use that. So anyways, how to get this done is you want to put the speaker on the side of the gauge cluster, and as you can tell that the needle is already moving. I'm going to attempt this on my first try, and boom, look at that. Just super quick and easy done. Should take you less than a minute to get it done. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to put the key in the ignition and power it on to AC and see if the needle does go in the correct position. Look at that, the needle goes up, reads my fuel gauge, and you are back to normal. And I think this video would help out a lot of people. Like I said, if you don't have regular magnets, try to find a speeder laying around, or you can ask your neighbor, anyone, or go to a pawn shop or anywhere that you can buy just a single speaker for like $5 or something. Probably a lot easier and cheaper than going to the hardware store and buying regular magnets from the hardware store like Menards or Home Depot. So hopefully this video helped a lot of people. Thank you, and we'll see you again in the next video. See ya.